So, join me today on my little walking tour of Northenden. We're just gonna walk up both sides of the road and come back to this area here where we first started. So, come and join me. We're filming today in mid-October. As you can see, it's a beautiful day, lovely and warm, walking around in my t-shirt, so makes a big change. It's lovely and warm today, walking around with my t-shirt on. Amazing weather. I did a little walking tour of Stockport Town Centre yesterday. I was just amazed how many banks were still open, whereas little towns like this, all the banks have just been converted into something else. So, and everyone's now using the post office to do their banking. There are quite a lot of charity shops around here, but there are also some very nice places to live around here, so you can get a cracking deal on some of the stuff you can find. Recently found a couple of suits for I think 20 quid. One was a neck suit, one was a boss suit. So you can get yourself some really good bargains in the charity shops around here. It's only quite a small centre. Just at the bottom down here is the petrol station and the Halfords garage, at which point I'll spin back round and take you through to show you the other side. We're filming on a Saturday afternoon, so most of the shops are currently open. And the road next to me is really busy, so. So I've come to the end of the shops on this side of the road. I'm just going to walk you down a little further and we'll cross over and we'll have a look at what's available on the other side. So we're back here on this side of the road now. This is where I first started the video from. The light wasn't great, so I've decided to walk back up and walk down on this side. I usually do these in one take, but just the way the light was, it wasn't great. This is a much better way to view it. But the sun behind me. I'm going to cross back over in a moment. I'm just still waiting for these cars to get out of the way so I can cross over. Okay, let's cross over. I got to the main road. Just a busy junction here. You got cars coming in all directions, so I didn't want to get run over. Yeah, facing this way the light's not great. That's why I went back to my starting point so I could film it with a bit of better light with the sun behind me instead of in front of me, causing lots of flare. Got a derelict building here, so I'll just spin round to that side. Nothing to see on this side. So if you think you've seen this building before, yes you have. So those who skip forward a little bit, it's not deja vu. I just reset myself at the beginning of the walk, just to film from this angle rather than walking into the sunshine. If you like this kind of content, please do give me a like and subscribe. It's completely free. If I don't ask, nobody does. So when I do ask, people do like and subscribe. So helps my little channel grow. Puts my content out there in front of people who are looking at this kind of stuff. Helps with the YouTube algorithm. And helps me as a small content creator. So do give me a like and a subscribe. Follow me for more of this kind of content. Doing local walk around videos in my area. And when I go on my travels, bit of a travel vlog going. Started filming earlier this year when I was in Thailand. Got quite a lot of traction. The channel took off. Been to Greece, to Zante, and that's proved quite popular. So now I'm just covering around my local areas. Well, here we are. This is pretty much the end. Just further down here is the Britannia Hotel and Country Club, where you can park your car for your holiday. We'll take you to the airport, bring you back, and give you bed and board the night before and after. It's convenient. You can travel into Manchester Airport outside of the area. So here we go. I'll conclude the video here. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.